Winter is the ideal season for soups, and soups are warm like cuddles, and they sometimes fix a meal. In the Italian cuisine there are an infinity of soups, many of them with legumes or cereals. Have you ever thought about organizing a winter seafood dinner and impressing your friends with something special? Stay with me, I'm going to show you how to do it. I am Francesca and this is Scola la pasta. Fish-based first courses are more commonly a perfect choice for a summer dinner, but I discovered a soup that is a fair compromise between the warmth of the winter and the flavor of the sea, perfect for a dinner with friends in winter. Let's go and see how to do it. But in the meantime, I want to thank Pescheria Ivana in Velletri that provides me with very fresh fish, excellent in quality, a guarantee. It is not necessary to cook them to perfection, but only to open all the shells. Important! If the shells do not open, never force them, because if it happens, we should throw them away. And now we do the same thing with mussels. In the meantime, we boil the squid in salted water. While pasta is cooking, please consider subscribing by clicking the button below. It is completely free for you, and this will help us to grow.
Scuola la pasta, the Italian way of making food.